Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be trying on the Jaclyn Hill newest eyeshadow palette with Morphe. It's called the Divine Neutrals. And then towards the end, I'm going to give you a review on the palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out the newest eyeshadow from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe called the Divine Neutrals, which looks like this. Really pretty packaging, and the packaging on the actual eyeshadow palette is just like the outer packaging, which is like this, really pretty, neutral colors. You know, Jaclyn. And this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Very beautiful neutral colors. So yeah, very beautiful. So as you can see, I'm gonna try to do something neutral. So we'll see what we come up with. So on the eyes, well, first off, I did my eyebrows with the Anastasia brow powder and the Brow Wiz, both in the color Ebony. I also primed my lids with the MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre. I also set that with the translucent powder. So that's all I have going on in the eyes. And now I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow palette. So alright, let me grab my brush. Alright, so I think I'm going to set my lids again with the color Chic Happens, which is this color right here. Let me grab my mirror. And I'm just going to set everything again with that color. And I'm using this really big brush from Juvia's Place. I bought this brush set because it came in a brush set when they first came out, and they don't have any names on the brushes. So, and it's my favorite to set the lid because it's big. Alrighty, so now for the lid, I'm just gonna be working my way down. I'm gonna use Just Barely. Let me see if I have a name. Nope. So I'm gonna use this color, Just Barely. See what it does for my lids, for my transition. And it's a bit powdery. I don't dip too hard in my eyeshadow palettes, but hold on a second. As you can see, like when you can see all that powder. I think she compared this to her OG palette, which was $35 with Morphe. I'm not quite sure yet. I mean, I can tell you that these are more powdery than those, but as of for the quality, it seems to be. Okay, so now I'm gonna jump into Good Vibes, which is this color right here. And I'm also gonna apply that on my transition. As my transition. I'm just trying to use as many colors and see how they blend together. Okay. Next, I think I'm gonna go in with, let me grab a smaller brush. I'm gonna go in with Booked, which is this brown color right here. I don't know why this is darker than this, you know. It goes kind of from lightest to darkest, and I feel like this is the second darkest, so it should have been here. I don't know, but anywho, I'm gonna be using this color, which is Booked, and I'm gonna apply that to the outer part of my crease. Okay, grab another brush. And I'm using the Sedona Lace AB09. Much better. Okay, I'm going with Good Vibes and just blend what I have so far. And I feel like Good Vibes, which is this color right here, is the best transition for me. And these colors are so pretty. This is like neutral heaven. They're really gorgeous mattes. The colors overall. But yes, the mattes so far are playing so beautifully. Just blend that. Okay, so now I want to go in with one of the shimmers. I'm not sure which one, but I want to apply my glitter glue just because I always do that. I like my eyeshadow to last, so I'll be using my Too Faced glitter glue. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna apply that to my lid. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna go in with birthday suit right here. Ooh, they feel really nice. I'm not sure if you can see the color, but it's really pretty. Oh my goodness, wow. This is beautiful. Okay, that's stunning. Grab a brush. Try to get in here. Wow, that color is stunning. That. Can you see? Close my eye. Probably not. But I like it. I like it. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a little bit more glitter glue to the other eye. birthday suit. Wow, that's a stunning shade. Like, can you see that? Wow. I kind of want to try the red one, which is called Risk Business, which is this burgundy color right here. Kind of want to try it. I don't want to mess it up. Let's try. Should I? Should I not? Should I? Should I not? Let's try it. Let's see. Let's try with the brush first. Just to blend out those colors. That gold and the brown. Let me try with my finger. I'm applying more of that birthday suit just because I love that color. I don't want it to go nowhere. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with Good Vibes again and blend this out. But all right. Well, this is the look I came out with. I am going to apply my face and then I'll come back with my thoughts on the palette. Okay? And I'm back. So this is the final look. This is what I came up with Jaclyn Hill's new eyeshadow palette. What do you guys think? So I like this eye look. It's nothing like extraordinary, I would say. Just something that I'm pretty sure you guys already have in your collection. The colors did blend out nicely. They were a bit powdery, more than what I remember the other ones being. I don't remember them being so powdery, but this is a color scheme that, you know, we've seen before. It's nothing new. However, they're beautiful. They all go well together. And just with the mattes, because I used most of the mattes, they blended out very easily. They're so buttery, you know, when you swatch them. And I like this eye look. I think it came out pretty cute. That birthday suit shimmer, it's not very intense, like for example like the Patrick Ta or the Pat McGrath shimmers, but I mean, when applying that Too Faced glitter glue, I feel like, you know, it made it pop a little bit, but I love it. I love that shimmer. It's really pretty. And it's so affordable too. So this retails for $18, but at Ulta they have that $3.50 coupon that you can use if you spend $15. So I mean, that's gonna be even cheaper. So I don't know, I really love this palette. This is a palette that I'm gonna be using just about every day for work, because these are the colors that I wear, neutral colors. And now you know, since the shimmers are not too intense, you know, they're appropriate for work, for me at least. And I'm a makeup lover. I love Jaclyn Hill, so I had to try her Divine Neutrals palette. So that's what I think on the palette. Let me know are you picking this eyeshadow palette? And if you have already, do you love it? Do you like it? Let me know your thoughts down in the description box. So yes, that was my review, and I'll catch you on the next one.